Hello, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hi everyone, we are the Education Liaison and Outreach team at Middlesex University.
And we're here to support your students by giving them the best advice and guidance for their journey to higher education.
From finding a uni or course match to discussing student finance, there's loads of things we can help you out with.
If your school or college would like us to visit in person, we can now arrange that. We've really missed our face-to-face visits.
Or if you prefer, we're happy to visit you virtually.
Our team has also developed a bank of high-quality resources for your students to use alongside our workshops or on their own at home.
Like our personal statement workbook or nursing and midwifery interview guide.
Get in touch to arrange a workshop for your students.
And don't forget to sign up to our newsletter for the latest updates and events.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. See you soon.